Alhamdulillah. W3schools.com, the world's largest web developer site. Okay. Menu HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or CSS tutorial. Home next. Okay. Anything else? CSS tutorial, CSS home, CSS introduction, CSS syntax, CSS selector, CSS how to, CSS comments, CSS colors, CSS background, CSS borders, CSS margins, CSS paddings, CSS height, weight, CSS box model, CSS outline, CSS text, CSS fonts, CSS icons, CSS links, CSS list, CSS tables, CSS display, CSS max width, CSS position, CSS overflow, CSS float, CSS inline, block, CSS align, CSS combinators, CSS pseudo plus, CSS pseudo element, CSS opacity, CSS navigation bar, CSS drop down, CSS image gallery, CSS image sprites, CSS extra selectors, CSS form, CSS counters, CSS website layout, CSS units, CSS specificity, CSS advanced, CSS rounded corners, CSS border images, CSS background, CSS colors, CSS gradients, CSS shadows, CSS text effects, CSS web font, CSS 2D transforms, CSS 3D transforms, CSS transitions, CSS animations, CSS tooltips, CSS style images, CSS object fit, CSS button, CSS pagination, CSS multiple column, CSS user interface, CSS variables, CSS box sizing, CSS flexbox, CSS media queries, CSS MQ examples, CSS responsive, RW, RWD intro, RWD viewport, RWD grid view, RWD media queries, RWD images, RWD videos, RWD frameworks, RWD templates, CSS grid intro. JavaScript এগুলো 1 minute প্লিজ একটু দেখতে হবে এখানটায় আমি এই পর্যন্ত আসছিলাম নিচে আরও ছিল বুঝতে পারিনি অনেক ছিল কীভাবে ছিল এতগুলো অনেক বেশি যাওয়া যায় না কেন চাপ সমস্যা পিছনের পরে ফিরে যাই কি করা যায় ঠিক আছে review RWD intro, RWD viewport, RWD grid view, RWD media queries, RWD images, RWD videos, RWD frameworks, RWD templates, CSS grid intro, grid container, grid item, CSS examples, CSS templates, CSS examples, CSS quiz, CSS exercises, CSS certificate, CSS references, CSS reference, CSS selectors, CSS functions, CSS references, orals, CSS web safe font, CSS animatable, CSS unit, CSS px en converter, CSS colors নিচে কি আছে দেখা যায় হচ্ছে তো ভিতরে যায় পরে জানার বেশি সমস্যা আছে দেখা যায় না কেন CSS tutorial. CSS is a language that describes the style of an HTML document. CSS describes how HTML elements should be displayed. This tutorial will teach you CSS from basic to advanced. Examples in each chapter. This CSS tutorial contains hundreds of CSS examples. With our online editor, you can edit the CSS and click on a button to view the result. Okay. CSS example: body background color light blue, okay, H1 color white, text align center, P font family, Verdana font family 20 pixel. Try it yourself. Try করবো থাকবে কালার হচ্ছে বেশি বুঝবো না দেখি ট্রাই করে এসে আসছে আসুক চলে যাচ্ছে ওখানে এসেছে এটা যে document HTML head style body background color light blue H1 color white text align center P font family Verdana font size 20 pixel style head body H1 my first CSS example H1P this is a paragraph P body HTML এটা আমাদের আসছে ওকে কালো করা যাবে যা ভালো দেখলাম তারপরে আমরা যাচ্ছি এরপরের অংশে click on the try it yourself button to see how it works. Start learning CSS now. CSS examples: learn from over 300 examples with our editor. You can edit the CSS and click on a button to view the result. Go to CSS examples. CSS templates. We have created some responsive W3C templates for you to use. CSS templates. We have created some responsive w3.css templates for you to use. You are free to modify, save, share, and use them in all your projects. Free CSS templates. CSS exercise and quiz test. Test your CSS skills at W3 schools. Start CSS exercise. Start CSS quiz. CSS references. At W3 schools, you will find complete CSS references of all properties and selectors with syntax, examples, browser support, and more. CSS properties reference CSS selectors, reference CSS functions, reference CSS animatable, reference CSS oral, reference CSS units, CSS color, reference CSS default values, CSS browser support. CSS exam. Get your diploma. W3 School certified. W3 Schools online certification. The perfect solution for professionals who need to balance work, family, and career building. More than 25,000 certificates already issued. Get your certificate. The HTML certificate documents your knowledge of HTML. The CSS certificate documents your knowledge of advanced CSS. The JavaScript certificate documents your knowledge of JavaScript and HTML DOM. The Python certificate documents your knowledge of Python. The jQuery certificate documents your knowledge of jQuery. The SQL certificate documents your knowledge of SQL. The PHP certificate documents your knowledge of PHP and MySQL. The XML certificate documents your knowledge of XML, XML DOM, and XSLT. The Bootstrap certificate documents your knowledge of the Bootstrap framework. Next.